Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DXTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. Big move. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would you say would cause this chart to look the absolute strongest going forward? And my answer for that would be $2. So if the price can stay above $2, that would definitely make the chart look very powerful. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined at that point in time. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be a very big sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom of this consolidation period, and that sits down here at its $1.65. So as you can see, the price was pulling back, and then finally the bulls decided to show back up, and they showed up right around that $1.65 area before obviously, the following bounce occurred. So that would be the next key level of support. And then from the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. I fully realize right now that this line is way down there. The closing price is way up there, so it doesn't seem relevant. But keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But the very simplistic, the very straightforward way to look at that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to get continuation, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? So for this, I'm actually going to change to another time frame just so we can keep things easy enough to see. So now this is the daily time frame, meaning each one of these candlesticks does indeed represent a day's worth of time. So as far as resistances are concerned, first key level right there at about the $2.15 mark. You have not only this previous set of highs right here, but then you also have the 200-day simple moving average basically converging and at the same value. So 215, that next current area of resistance. And then after that, next level of resistance, if the price can push through there, essentially the top of this channel from back here, and that sits around $2.40. Top of the channel being right back here. You can see price try to bounce up above that level quite a few times. Anyway, you slice it though, very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the more common questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.